Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can control our Google spreadsheets through Anna. First of all, we want to connect the Google API to Anna so that we can access Google not indirectly, because we had to make Anna have access to our Google Workspace. So we go to the organizations and connect with OAuth. Now we are doing the spreadsheet, so we only have to give the access to Google Sheets. Like if you are doing other tasks, you can also select other access. So log into my Google account and go to Anna. And select that can access. Yeah, now we are connected to Google and we want to have a new chat on the dashboard. First of all, we can ask Anna to create a new spreadsheet for us. As you can see here, we have no spreadsheets yet. GWS, which means Google Workspace. Create a new Google Sheet for me. Okay, now we have a new spreadsheet. Like it is automatically appeared here, right? It's not like by me or manually. And now it is empty, so we want to add something like in column A, maybe name it date and few dates January 1, 2026 to the last day, like 12/31/2026. Okay, now it is done, and maybe I want it to align to the center so it is like more pretty. Can you align them to the center? Cool, it's done. Okay, now it is purely based on Anna and the Google Sheet, but we want to maybe add something from the web page. So can you search on the web and on column B as the corresponding holiday name of that day, if any. Maybe we want to use the DDG search, which is a search tool. It is still working, but as you can see, for the first part, we had New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and maybe President's Day and Easter Day. Like it is pretty much like it covers most of the days, right? And it is still like working on it. So we can do the last step, which means we can delete something in the Google Sheets by Anna. So I will ask Anna to delete the rows that is not a holiday. Yeah, it is due at the previous step, so I will ask her to finish the previous step and do the deletions right now. Yeah, as you can see, it is done now. Like we have all these holidays and all other things we don't need is deleted by Anna. Like so now we have all the date with the corresponding holiday as we want. So I hope like from this video you can see how we can use our Anna agent to edit, create, and delete all your Google Sheets or spreadsheets. And this is pretty much everything for my demonstration of how Anna can connect to Google Sheets API. And thank you for watching it.